Morning guys, Nick with the Holler. We're off on our next adventure. Gotta go pick up a refrigerator. So the other day we're doing signs, like posting signs out. I think I put about 5 or 6 signs. We posted a video. And yeah, so off one of those signs over by Costco, the lady just called us last night and said, hey, I got a refrigerator to be picked up. And I said, shit, yeah, we'll come pick that thing up. $150. So we got that on schedule for this morning, Sunday, before boxing, before surfing. So we're gonna grab all this stuff. So, you know, signs do work. You just gotta keep hammering that pavement, putting them out there, and whoa, sooner or later, you'll get the cheddar. So stay tuned. We're gonna show you how to pick up this refrigerator in Carlsbad. More trash, junk removal. The trash, junk removal business. Gotta always be hustling to make that cash. So we'll see how big this thing is. Hopefully it's not like a big deep freeze or sub-zero or something. That would be messed up. Then you just gotta charge more. So anyway, be there. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so Carlsbad grabbed a refrigerator. It was up there. Put it in the truck. Thing's heavy. I think these refrigerators are getting heavier and heavier, but I got paid some cheddar. It's all cash. Cash is king. For a while anyway. So, super easy. Put your yard signs out, or your signs. Post your stuff. You get business. So, keep on hustling. We're gonna be pounding the pavement some more. So if you need anything picked up, you know where to call us. HollerJunkRemoval.com. Carlsbad, North County, trash pickup, junk removal, refrigerators, appliances, recyclables, you name it, we'll grab it. So give us a haul. Same day, next day service, guaranteed.